Oh no.
What have we got today?
A
Oh, yeah. Daddy found one, didn't he?
Yeah.
Right.
Open it up.
You can open it up?
Yeah.
Okay.
I open it.
Do you need my help?
Yeah.
Let's hope I can open it, right?
Yeah.
Right, there must be a wee tag. There must be a way to do that. What is this sorcery?
What?
What?
Got it.
Not yet, no. Oh.
What you see, Daddy?
Oh no. I broke my tooth! My tooth! I think I broke my tooth! I'm just kidding.
You laugh over here.
But they're not that easy. There must be an easier way to open. Aha! Unravel, ravel, ravel, like wee. Whoa.
Look.
What is that?
I don't know.
What is that? Oh, that's a magic eye. Wow, so look through it. Everything's red. It's red. Can we unwrap the next one? Oh, what's under this one? Oh, what's that, Miela? What's this?
I don't know.
Is it stickers?
Yes.
Yeah.
I see paw.
You want me to open that one?
Yes. Oh,
Stickers.
okay.
Stickers. Lots and lots of stickers. Do you know how to open it? Is that how you do it?
No.
Oh, there may be a secret password on here. What happens if we look at these codes? Oh, look! There's magic codes. So you have to put this. Let's show the camera. Look. You put them over, it changes. So you have to read the magic codes. Right, let's see.
I got it.
Let's try this code. Did you drop it? Let's see. Now, which code goes with what? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4. What are these? Are these codes as well?
Yeah.
Let's try fire with ice.
Not you.
Is it not fire with ice? Oh! Look! It's opened! Fire with ice opened!
I get out.
Oh, wow! Try sweetie with lemon?
Yeah.
Sweetie. Lemon? Yeah! Oh, we're getting good at this! Right, so we've tried those 2 codes. What code have we not tried?
Yeah.
Will we try this one? Oh, wait, we'll do the bottom ones. Right, we'll do this one. Let's just not that. Have we tried fire with ice? Yes, we've tried fire. Let's try. Where's the wee sign? Look on you. Let's look. Let's try.
I'll hold it.
What was the peace sign with the heart? Will we try that?
Yeah.
Look, Miela!
Uh-oh.
Peace sign with the heart. What's that?
Uh-oh.
What is that?
Uh-oh. My got it.
Oh, right. How many more have we got to do? The big one.
Yeah, they're here.
We've done those 2. Right, the big one. Right.
Yeah.
Let's see. Have we done the sweetie with the lemon? Will we try the sweetie with the lemon?
Yeah.
Let's try it.
You can lie there.
Let's try the sweetie with. Did that work?
No.
No. Which one have we not tried? Right.
It's not open.
There's the cloud. Where's the sunshine?
Ah.
Okay. The cloud with the sunshine. Woohoo! There you are, my darling. What did you get?
I want a bow.
Well,
I got that one.
wow.
Hi there.
Oh, shoes. Look, little shoes. What else? I've got shoes for her. Like shoes.
Wow.
Wowee. What's in this one? Then we've got earrings, I think. Are they earrings?
You earring.
Yeah. Right. What else have we got? What's in this one?
I got that one.
A wee dress.
Yeah. I don't want it.
Can you put that on her? Can you put that on her?
Ow.
Miela, this is going to be magic. Mummy's going to get us some water and we're going to dip her in the water.
Look, that's big here.
Yeah. Is it going to be magic? What's Pony doing here?
I don't know.
What's she doing here?
Hello, yeah.
Right, what do you think? I'm ready? Dip her whole body under, not just her head. Put her body under. Let's see. Put her under. Look, her arms! Now she's got mittens on. Look, see them appearing.
Yeah.
Let's see what happens to her chest. Oh! Sorry, Miela. Sorry, darling. I didn't know that was going to happen.
It won't wear.
I know.
Yeah.
Sorry, baby. I'm sorry. Now, let's see. We need to get this. Let's see if she's going to get... Look, she's got leggings on. Now, Miela, we didn't have any ice water, did we?
Yeah, you need hot, heat harder.
So did we put her in the freezer?
Yeah.
So we're just waiting for about a couple of minutes.
Yeah.
But already she's got clothes on. Her hair's changing colour too.
Hi, guys. We need a video.
Miela's sister woke up, didn't she?
Yeah.
Is your sister the best in the whole wide world?
Yeah.
Yeah? What's your sister's name?
Ita.
Misha. What's on your head?
Look it. Here you go. Here.
Right, well, we go and check if this is ready.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, here.
Right. Right, we're back. Did we do it?
Yeah.
Right, you're going to take your l.o.l doll out and show them? She's got dark hair and a pink tutu. You're going to accessorise her. That go on her head?
Yeah.
Oh, you can have fun with that.
Yeah. And I got earrings.
Earrings, I think they connect into that one, eh? I think Misha's wanting to show. Ah.
I like it.
Ah!
I want it.
Yeah, and her hair goes light when she gets dry again, eh?
It's white.
I know. Put her back in the water. Just leave her in there. Miela, do you like her?
Yeah.
Has she got a headband? Let's see her boots. Oh, wow. And her earrings? Or one earring? 2 earrings. Yes, cool, eh?
Look, it's that earring.
Yeah.
It's that little
A wee can
earring.
of juice, a wee can of pop. And Misha's busy now here.
I love you, Daddy. I love you, Tita. I love you, Lala. I love you, Mommy. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.